Hello and welcome. Going to the bank is one of the most important things you do in English. Opening an account. Depositing money. Sending money home to your family. These things matter. But the bank can be very confusing if you do not know the words. Today that changes. In this 25-minute lesson, I will teach you 60 banking vocabulary words. How to open an account. How to deposit and withdraw cash. How to send money. How to use an ATM. How to read your bank statement. And what to say when something goes wrong. And at the end, 5 complete bank conversations for you to practice. Go slowly with me. Repeat every phrase. Let's start. Section 1. Banking vocabulary. The most important words first. Account, this is where your money is kept at the bank. Repeat. Account. Balance, how much money is in your account right now? Repeat. Balance. Deposit, putting money into your account. Repeat. Deposit. Withdrawal, taking money out of your account. Repeat. Withdrawal. Transfer, moving money from one account to another. Repeat. Transfer. Credit, money coming into your account. Repeat. Credit. Debit, money going out of your account. Repeat. Debit. Statement, a list of all your transactions. Repeat. Statement. PIN, your secret 4-digit number for your card. Repeat. PIN. Interest, extra money the bank pays you, or charges you. Repeat. Interest. Direct debit, a company takes money from your account automatically. Repeat. Direct debit. Standing order, you set up a regular automatic payment yourself. Repeat. Standing order. Sort code, a 6-digit code that identifies your bank branch. Repeat. Sort code. Account number, your personal 8-digit account number. Repeat. Account number. Overdraft, when you spend more money than you have. Your balance goes below zero. Repeat. Overdraft. Exchange rate, the value of one currency compared to another. How many rupees do you get for 1 pound? Repeat. Exchange rate. These are the most important 16 banking words. Let's continue. Section 2. Types of bank account. Current account. This is for everyday use. Wages come in. Bills go out. You pay with a debit card. Most people have a current account. Savings account. This is for saving money. The bank pays you interest. You do not use this for daily spending. Section 3. Opening a bank account. When you arrive at the bank, say, "Hello. I would like to open a current account, please." Repeat. Hello. I would like to open a current account, please. If it is your first account in this country, say, "I am new to this country. This is my first UK bank account." The bank will ask for your documents. You need your passport, proof of address, a letter or bill with your name and address, your national insurance number. After opening, ask, "When will my card arrive? What is my sort code and account number? Can I set up online banking?" Section 4. Depositing cash. Go to the counter and say, "I would like to deposit some cash, please." Repeat. "I would like to deposit some cash, please." The cashier will ask, "Can I see your account details? Please enter your PIN." After depositing, you will hear, "The money is now in your account. Here is your receipt." Section 5. Withdrawing cash. Say, "I would like to withdraw £200, please." Repeat. "I would like to withdraw £200, please." Ask about the notes. "Can I have it in 20s, please? Can you break a £50 note?" Section 6. Sending money. For a transfer within the UK, say, I would like to make a transfer. The sort code is number. The account number is number. The amount is pounds. For sending money abroad, say, I would like to send money to country, please. What is the exchange rate today? How long will it take? What are the fees? You will need to give the recipient's name, the bank name, the IBAN number, the SWIFT code. Setting up a standing order. I would like to set up a standing order. Pay amount on the date of every month. Section 7. Using an ATM. The steps. Insert your card. Enter your PIN. Select what you want. Options. Withdraw cash. Check balance. Change PIN. Mini statement. Always. Take your card. Take your cash. Take your receipt. ATM problems. My card has been taken by the machine. I forgot my PIN. I entered the wrong PIN 3 times. If this happens, contact your bank immediately. Section 8. Understanding your bank statement. Your statement has 4 columns. Date, when the transaction happened. Description, what it was for. Debit, money that left your account. Credit, money that came in. And your balance, how much money you have right now. Example. Date, May 15th. Description, Tesco. Debit, £23.40. Balance, £847.60. This means, you spent £23.40 at Tesco. You now have £847.60. If you see a payment you do not recognize, say, I do not recognize this payment. I think there is an error on my account. Section 9. Fees and exchange rates. Is there a fee for this? How much do you charge for an international transfer? Is my account free? What is the exchange rate for pounds to rupees today? How much will the recipient receive? Section 10. Reporting problems. Lost card. I have lost my card. I need to report my card missing. Please block my card. Repeat. I have lost my card. Please block it. Stolen card. My card has been stolen. Please block my account immediately. Fraudulent payment. There is a payment on my account that I did not make. I did not authorize this transaction. The bank will say, we will block your card now. A new card will arrive in 3 to 5 working days. Your money is protected. Online banking problem. I cannot log into my account. I have forgotten my password. My account has been locked. 5 complete bank conversations. Listen first. Then repeat. Conversation 1. Opening an account. Bank advisor, good morning. How can I help? Customer, hello. I would like to open a current account, please. I am new to the country. Advisor, of course. Do you have your passport and proof of address? Customer, yes, here is my passport and a letter from my employer. Advisor, perfect. What is your national insurance number? Customer, it is on this letter. Advisor, thank you. Your account is now open. Sort code 204567. Account number 123456678. Customer, thank you. Can I set up online banking today? Repeat customer. Hello. I would like to open a current account. I am new to this country. Yes, here is my passport and a letter from my employer. It is on this letter. Thank you. Can I set up online banking today? Conversation 2. Depositing cash. Cashier, good afternoon. How can I help? Customer, I would like to deposit £800 cash, please. Here is my card. Account number 123456778. Cashier, please enter your PIN. Customer, done. Cashier, the money is now in your account. Here is your receipt. Customer, thank you. Conversation 3. International transfer. Cashier, how can I help? Customer, I would like to send £500 to India, please. What is the exchange rate today? Cashier, 105 rupees to the pound. Fee is £8. Customer, that is fine. Here are the recipient's details. Cashier, the money will arrive in 2 working days. Customer, can I have a receipt, please? Conversation 4. Lost card. Bank agent, good evening, NatWest Security. Customer, hello. I need to report my debit card lost. Please block it. Agent, can I take your name and date of birth? Customer, Carlos Mendez. March 15, 1985. Agent, your card is now blocked. A new card will arrive in 3 to 5 working days. Customer, thank you so much. Practice. Challenge 1. You want to open a current account. It is your first UK account. Say your opening line. Challenge 2. Deposit £600. Your account number is 87654321. Say it. Challenge 3. Your card is lost. Call the bank. Say the first thing you will tell them. Write in the comments, what banking word do you not know in English? I will explain it clearly. Next video, Public Transport English. How to take the bus, the train, the metro, and a taxi, all in English. Very practical for daily life. Subscribe now. See you next week. Goodbye.